Do I gotta have it? I ain't even
Awesome.
playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it.
The
Fuse like a
Egyptian
magnet. Lose,
breakfast,
won't
so
have
we
it till
can
I'm
taste
doomed
it
in a
right now.
casket.
Mine is not working, I think.
Got
Yeah.
a weird mind. If you work
I don't
8
care.
hours, I'ma
Fuck off.
work
I was
9. If
making
the
my
shit
vlog.
tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma
Thank
stay
you
in
very much,
power for a
brother.
long time.
It's your love.
Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the
We are right now go to taste Egyptian breakfast.
Yes.
So I don't know. It's my first time. Azaz. Restaurant name is Azaz.
Baba is called Dad. Dad.
Dad.
Dad is meaning Baba.
Yes, I know, Baba.
This is Dad.
Oh, now I think Dad. अस्सलामुअलैकुम प्यारे व्यूअर्स, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब लोग ठीक होंगे। वेलकम टू अनदर व्लॉग। सो ये मेरी थर्ड मॉर्निंग है इजिप्ट कायरो में। सो अभी सुबह का टाइम है, ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए जा रहे हैं। सो आई वाज इंट्रोड्यूस यू माय फ्रेंड, द नेम इज अहमद।
Hello.
Ahmed. How are you, Ahmed?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
I'm an Egyptian man.
From Egypt. And
Yes.
the city name?
Asyut.
Asyut.
Yes.
This basically is Egyptian person, very great, very humble
Enta
person.
gada.
Anta
You
gada
are a good
person.
man.
Anta gada. From Asyut city. Basically, he's not in Cairo. Still, we right now in Cairo, but they are coming for Asyut for special here in Cairo for examination. Some.
Yes.
So best of luck, my bro. Today your exam.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
So Anta gada. The person is gada.
You're my love.
Thank you, bro. So how's your about the examination? Are you prepared yourself?
I'm prepared and I'm ready.
Oh, ready for fly. That's great.
My mind is ready.
So right now we are going for eating breakfast. So he's tell me the Egyptian famous breakfast. What is that? So we can try it. So Ahmed is with me,
We will try
the
and
great
we will
person
tell you.
Ahmed. So I will show you this is the right now in Cairo. I don't know what is the name of the building. So where is you tell me the
This
cook?
is Talat Harb.
This is Talat Hub.
Okay, this is a famous place.
Okay, this is the famous
Okay.
place. So
Come on.
what name?
Talat Harb.
Talat Harb.
Talat Harb.
This is
He's
very
a famous
famous.
man in Egypt.
Ah, famous man.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
He's poet.
Dead. He's dead now.
Okay.
He's dead from last year.
Last year,
Yes.
ah, policeman.
Yes.
Okay, the person is
Talat
policeman.
Harb. Talat Harb. And this street, all
Uh-huh.
actors in
Okay.
Egyptian
Yes, yes, yes.
act some films here.
Oh,
Okay. This is a
This
famous
is famous
place in
street.
Egypt. Yes.
Perfect.
Yes. This building is famous. All building here is famous.
Oh, perfect. That's great.
Yes. Freedom, man.
We are right now go to taste Egyptian breakfast.
Yes.
So I don't know. It's my first time. Azaz. Restaurant name is Azaz.
Assad.
Okay,
Called Assad.
that's great. So it's where
Come on.
this is.
What do you need to eat?
What we will because anything, no problem.
دي سندوتشات كلها صح؟
This is the menu. You can check it. So we can try the famous. सुबह सुबह का टाइम है, कोई बंदा नहीं है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी वही हालात वगैरह हैं कि 12-1 बजे के बाद ही बंदों की आंखें खुलती हैं। सो रात को 3-3, 4-4 बजे तक यहाँ पे बिल्कुल ओपन स्ट्रीट फूड्स वगैरह चल रहे होते हैं। स्ट्रीट में बिल्कुल होटल्स फुल होते हैं। यहाँ पे नाइट का व्यू ये है, रात को गलियाँ फुल होती हैं, होटल्स शीशा जल रहा होता है ऑन द वे। सो अभी सुबह का टाइम है, ब्रेकफास्ट इजिप्शियन टेस्ट करेंगे, आपको दिखाते हैं इजिप्शियन ब्रेकफास्ट विद इजिप्शियन फ्रेंड। अभी वही इजिप्शियन ब्रेकफास्ट होने जा रहा है। परफेक्ट। द गाय इज मेकिंग, द रेस्टोरेंट गाय से टू हाई ब्रो। Thank you very much, brother. It's your love. Thank you, thank you. Basically, Aziz is the restaurant name. So, Anta gada, man.
Yes, of course, I'm gonna.
Anta gada.
عمال اعلم في عربي عمال اعلم في عربي. قول له هشجع العيال النهارده. يا عم لو كده نفتح محل فلوس عمال عندهم. You need to work in لازم اتجمع الاول. Football clubs in Egypt called Ahli because Zamalek is a loser. No. Zamalek is loser. It is like Zamalek Egyptian club.
Egyptian club, okay.
Zamalek club. Zamalek is coming.
The guy is talking about, I don't understand. So,
كده
okay.
اديت من الاوردر كله. هو مين؟
Mine is not working, I think. Yes. I don't care, fuck off. I was making my vlog. So right now we have take the breakfast.
Yes.
So we are go outside.
Delicious breakfast.
The Egyptian breakfast.
Yes,
So we
of
can
course.
taste it right now.
I don't know what is in your
Okay, tell in your language. What is this?
Okay, I tell my language.
Yes, in your language.
فول وطعمية.
فول وطعمية.
تمام وبابا غنوج.
تمام بابا غنوج.
مسقعة.
فسقعة.
مسقعة. ايوه دي أكلة مشهورة عندنا في مصر لازم بص. انت هتدوق دلوقتي وتقول ايه رأيك؟
Perfect.
And this is مخلل.
مخلل. Yeah, this no I know.
Yes.
مخلل.
Okay.
What is first I try? This one?
Take full? No.
Full. This is.
Wait. This is full.
This is full.
Yes.
So right now I'm start the full.
Yes.
Full is very tasty, I think.
أنا باكل الدنيا لذيذة معاه.
ما شاء الله.
Good.
Good. Awesome.
Take مخلل with full.
Very nice.
This is cucumber and this is carrot.
Yeah,
You know?
I know. Egyptian breakfast. MashaAllah.
It's the first time you breakfast.
First time.
Really? By 70 pounds. Just 70 pounds.
And now which one I eat?
Okay. Baba Ganoush.
Baba Ganoush.
Yeah, it's Baba Ganoush.
Baba Ganoush. So right now we try Baba Ganoush.
Baba Ganoush.
Baba Ganoush. Baba Ganoush.
Baba is called Dad. Dad is meaning Baba.
Yes, I know Baba.
This is Dad Ganoush.
Oh, now I think Dad. And very cheap. Breakfast is only 70-80 pounds. Just. Now the time is Tamen. Tame? Tameya.
Yes, of course.
Tameya. Tameya.
Good.
Very nice. Perfect. बाहर से ये चीज सेम है, अंदर डिफरेंट चीजें हैं. सेम नॉट सेम. इनसाइड वेरी डिफरेंट एवरी टाइम.
I will take one tea. And you?
Which one is famous Egyptian tea?
Tea. Shay.
Drink.
Okay, you need sugar.
Yeah.
Low sugar.
Low sugar.
Okay. اسمع باشا 2 شاي سكر برا. I tell him 2 tea no sugar.
Good.
We will put sugar by our hands.
Good. Perfect.
Yes.
What is the name this?
It's called batatas paneer.
Batatas paneer.
Yes.
Now
Potatoes.
change.
Potatoes
Inside
paneer.
change. Batatas
Paneer.
paneer.
Yes.
I'm so much full. No inside space, but I was eating. It's very tasty.
You can take it.
Shukr alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Very nice. Taste is very nice.
Yes.
Amazing.
Correct.
I was just this drink after.
In Egyptian, you should
Give me.
smoke with you drink tea.
Give me then. I was now right now I'm Egyptian. So I follow the rules.
Yes.
Give me.
You took a smoke.
मैं पीता नहीं हूँ, ये डबियाँ खत्म कर देते हैं, इनमें ये आदत है। वो साथ बैठे और बंदे को भी दे देते हैं। Give me.
Nice cigarette.
Nice cigarette is very good for heart.
Yes.
Cigarette is very good for heart. One day, how much are you smoking?
Like
I
two
see.
boxes.
Two boxes
Each day.
each day.
Yes.
And your age is how?
19 years old.
19, yeah. I'm not smoker, but
Really? Why you take with milk from me?
if of course you're smoking, I'm not smoker.
Oh man, what the fuck, man? Holy shit.
This is for your love.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just puffing,
Oh.
not inhale.
Okay.
Puffing.
Okay.
भाई जी, इनका जो कावा है,
It's a
हमारे
famous
कावे,
drink in Egyptians.
it's famous drink in Egyptian, but same like in our country also. A lot of weird.
Really?
Really,
In Egyptian, anybody when wake up,
this
he
is
take a cup of tea and he will be a strong man when he will take a cup of tea. And somebody's take
the cafe name is Gahwa.
the coffee name is Gaho. And the coffee
Hmm.
is called in Arabic Kahwa.
Kahwa.
Yes. The coffee in Arabic it's called Kahwa.
Kahwa.
Yes.
Kahwa. We also call kawa.
Yes.
Kawa.
It's tea. It's tea. I don't understand.
We are in our
Yes.
local language chai.
yes, chai.
Chai.
But coffee called Kahwa.
Kahwa.
Yes. You will montage this video?
Yes, monetized. I was also monetized.
Okay.
So cafe को ये लोग बोलते हैं kahwa. Any cafeteria they call kahwa. So I don't know kahwa is good or lunch. Then lunch. After we can taste night dinner.
Okay. اسمك ايه؟ Ahmed.
Ahmad,
He's
bro.
called Ahmed.
Nice to meet you, Ahmad.
Muhammad من باكستان. Muslim. Yes. ايوه كلها. He tell you if you eat full you will be Egyptian man. بقول له عشان هو eat full انت بقيت راجل مصري.
Thank you.
Stand we will eat in a car.
In
Like
the car?
Egyptian people.
Okay. We can try. Okay.
Tomorrow.
We're perfect. Wow.
حلوة. It's good. Good like حلوة.
One people with I was make the joke.
Yes. It's like
Halwa is we call sweet.
sweet like that. You can speak Arabic. You speak a lot of Arabic.
Yes, same like
غبي
that.
ومجنون.
Rabi
بس
Magnun.
انت جدع.
Antagada. Antagada. The
Yes.
guy is Antagada.
Thank you.
Majnun.
Look زمان.
Antagadi Majnun. If Arabic people see
No.
Arabic people see this video, Antagadi Majnun. Just joke.
Just joke. Yes.
And also the weather is very good. If I talk about the weather, temperature very nice. You know, comfort.
But if you go Luxor, it's so hot.
Luxor hot.
So hot.
Maximum how much temperature right now in Luxor?
Like 45.
45 degree in Luxor.
Yes, 40.
So guys, my plan is I was going Luxor. I have no a lot of days because my booking is very soon. So Luxor is too much for.
If you go Luxor, you will fuck your
And
head.
also the guys say Luxor is too much hot place because Luxor is very famous and very historic place. But I can't go, and also temperature is too much hot. The guys,
But it's a nice place.
it's
You
nice.
will spend a good time in it.
Of course, history
You will
place
enjoy
very. Yes, I know Luxor, but the reason is that Luxor is too much far. Cairo
Too
to
much fun.
And-
From here to Luxor, per 600 kilometers.
600 kilometer,
Yes.
but it's far. I have not
Yeah.
too much time, so if I have time in future, I was come special for Luxor, and so I was coming very soon.
I don't need to go the examination. I need to stay with you.
Oh my God, the brother have too much love me, so he say I don't want to go exam,
Yes.
but I prefer first you go exam because the time
If
I was,
don't go,
the future is go
I
hell.
lose. I will lose.
You future is going in hell.
Okay, it's 9.
It's
Just
not-
1 hour and my exam is start.
Yeah, you can go. You take everything.
Don't forget just food.
Finish breakfast, finish everything. So we are full. So the guy is going for exam
Yes.
because they have very short time. So you need to go
Yes, I need to go.
because
man.
you have short time. So
Okay.
we meet very soon. Take care. Khuda Hafiz.